Are you looking for the best car sunshade now? We've done the legwork for you. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 sunshades for your vehicle. We'll discuss their pros, cons, and special features, providing you with the necessary info to make the right choice. Remember, all sunshades we'll mention are excellent options in no particular order, so watch the entire video to find the perfect fit for your car. First up is the EzyShade Windshield Sunshade. It does more than protect your car from the sun. It's designed to create a comfortable interior environment thanks to its unique built-in vent system. It's crafted from a 210T polyester material that's both reflective and water-resistant, promising to block up to 99.9% of UV rays. The vent system, composed of 2 panels, can be opened or closed to adjust the airflow. Plus, it's foldable, making storage and transport a breeze. Despite its many advantages, it has its shortcomings. Some users have mentioned that the sunshade doesn't fit perfectly on large windshields. It can also be somewhat tricky to fold and unfold, especially if it's creased. While its UV blocking capability is high, some users have noted that other sunshades in the market might outperform it. And the vent system, while a great feature, may be less effective in extremely hot weather. When comparing the EzyShade Windshield Sunshade to others on the market, it shines with its innovative vent system, foldability, and lifetime warranty. However, ensure it suits your car's dimensions and weather conditions for maximum benefit. In summary, if you're searching for a sunshade that offers both UV protection and a ventilation system, the EzyShade Windshield Sunshade could be your go-to option. Just remember to verify the fit and foldability before committing. Don't just rely on what we say, have faith in the multitude of pleased Amazon customers. Let's explore the extraordinary Amazon ratings this item has accumulated. Moving on, we've got another product on our list, the EcoNour Car Windshield Sunshade. This sunshade is known for its superior UV protection, claiming to block up to 99.9% of those harmful rays. The high-quality 210T polyester material and reflective design make it quite effective. One unique feature of this sunshade is the built-in vent system, allowing airflow and preventing your car from becoming a sauna during hot days. It's also foldable and has a storage pouch, making it easy to store and transport. Plus, they offer a 1-year warranty, which provides added peace of mind. As with all products, there are a few cons. The EcoNour may only fit perfectly in some cars, particularly those with larger windshields. It can also be challenging to open and close in windy conditions. And while it does block a significant amount of UV rays, some other shades on the market may offer slightly better protection. When choosing your sunshade, consider the size of your car's windshield, the material of the sunshade, and of course, the price. These factors can significantly influence your buying decision. Now, how does it compare to the EzyShade Windshield Sunshade? Well, both are made from 210T polyester material, are foldable, and provide excellent UV protection. The key difference: the EcoNour has a built-in vent system, while the EzyShade does not. But then, the EzyShade fights back with a lifetime warranty. So it all boils down to your personal preferences. So, if you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use sunshade with a unique vent system, the EcoNour Car Windshield Sunshade could be your perfect match. Our assertions find support in this item's first-rate Amazon ratings. Let's look at the rating panel, a testament to the superior quality and effectiveness global users appreciate. Stay tuned to find out what other fantastic sunshades we've lined up for you. Without wasting any time, let's dive straight into our third contender, the Magnelex Car Windshield Sunshade. The Magnalex Car Windshield Sunshade has serious competition with its durable and water-resistant polyester material. Plus, it blocks up to 99% of UV rays, helping keep your car interior cool. Now, here's something special. It includes a built-in steering wheel cover, a neat addition to ensure your steering wheel doesn't turn into a frying pan. It comes in 3 sizes, medium, large, and extra large, catering to a wide range of vehicles. We love the fact that it's foldable for easy storage and comes with a storage pouch. It's an affordable option and offers a great bang for your buck. On the downside, it might only fit perfectly in some cars, especially those with large windshields. Folding and unfolding could be a task for some, and while it does a decent job blocking UV rays, some other shades offer slightly better protection. As we mentioned before, when choosing a sunshade, consider the size of your car's windshield, the material of the sunshade, and your budget. So, if you're looking for a durable sunshade that also takes care of your steering wheel, the Magnelex Car Windshield Sunshade is an option worth considering. Stay tuned as we reveal more top contenders in the world of car windshield sunshades. Words might fall short, but Amazon ratings can provide a broader perspective. Let's delve into the commendable ratings this item has secured from its loyal Amazon user base. We're halfway through our list of top car windshield sunshades in 2023. Up next, we have a unique entrant, the Jasvic Car Windshield Sunshade umbrella. This sunshade umbrella is more than meets the eye. It's constructed from 210T polyester reflective and water-resistant material. A big plus is that it blocks up to a whopping 99.9% of UV rays. What sets it apart is the innovative 360-degree rotating handle. This cool feature lets you position the umbrella at just the right angle to block out those intense rays. With its foldability, included storage pouch, and affordable price, it provides exceptional value for just around $20. On the downside, it may not fit snugly in some cars, especially those with larger windshields. It poses a challenge to open and close in windy conditions, and while it does a great job, some other sunshades on the market are slightly better at blocking UV rays. We see some distinct differences in comparing it with the EzyShade Windshield Sunshade. Both are made of the same material, but the EzyShade has a built-in vent system, while the umbrella does not. The umbrella's main standout feature is its 360-degree rotating handle. However, the EzyShade is not foldable, unlike the umbrella, and comes at a higher price due to the vent system and a lifetime warranty. In the end, it boils down to your personal needs. If you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use sunshade with a unique rotating handle, the Jasper Car Windshield Sunshade umbrella is an excellent choice. But if you desire a vent system and a lifetime warranty, consider the EzyShade Windshield Sunshade. Amazon ratings offer reliable insights. Notice the impressive scores this item receives from satisfied customers on Amazon from around the globe. Stay with us as we continue our journey through the world of car windshield sunshades. Remember to click the links in the description below to get more details or to make a purchase. As we're mindful of your time, let's swiftly wrap things up with our final product, the EcoNour Fluff Car Window Shade, a sunshade designed specifically with your little ones in mind. Made of 120 GSM mesh material, this sunshade is soft and breathable and ensures a comfortable environment for your child. A crucial aspect is its ability to block up to 99% of harmful UV rays, a feature that has won the Skin Cancer Foundation certification. Installation is a breeze thanks to its suction cup design, which includes 3 reusable cups that promise to hold the sunshade in place even on windy days. It's foldable for convenience, comes in a range of sizes, and is backed by a lifetime warranty. But it's not without its challenges. Some users have reported that the shade may not fit perfectly in certain car seats, especially those with large windows. Its effectiveness in blocking UV rays has also been called into question compared to other sunshades. While generally robust, the suction cups might not be strong enough for certain car types or require stronger adhesion. In comparison to some other window shades, the EcoNour Fluff offers an impressive combination of UV protection, air circulation, and secure placement. However, it's always a good idea to check the dimensions of your car windows and your child's car seat before making your purchase. So, if you're on the hunt for a window shade that prioritizes your child's comfort and protection, the EcoNour Fluff Car Window Shade makes a great choice. But remember, double-check those suction cups and size dimensions. Don't just rely on what we say, have faith in the multitude of pleased Amazon customers. Let's explore the extraordinary Amazon ratings this item has accumulated. And there you have it, everyone, the top 5 car windshield sunshades of 2023. Each one has its unique advantages, designed to cater to various needs and preferences. From the umbrella-style Jasvic Car Windshield Sunshade offering a great bang for your buck, the child-friendly EcoNour Fluff Car Window Shade ensures UV protection for your little ones, to the EzyShade Windshield Sunshade providing a built-in vent system, these sunshades are as diverse as they are effective. We've explored their features, weighed their pros and cons, and compared them head-to-head to understand them comprehensively. It's clear that the best sunshade for you will ultimately depend on your individual needs, preferences, and budget. Our goal here was to shine some light on your decision-making process, and we hope we've done just that. Now, it's over to you. Take your pick and protect your car from the sun's harmful rays. Did you find our content enjoyable and helpful? Let us know by hitting the like button. Remember to subscribe to our channel to access our fresh, exciting videos early. If you know someone who'd love this as much as you do, please share it with them and help us spread the word. Also, we'd love to hear your thoughts and suggestions, so don't hesitate to leave a comment. Please tell us what you'd like to see reviewed or featured in our upcoming videos. Stay tuned for more insights and reviews to keep your ride in the best shape possible. Until next time, keep calm and drive safely.